Welcome to Kids Planet Safari! Dad said, kids, wash my car. Kids said, yes, we're superstars. Bucket, sponge, water hose, soap on hands and on our nose. Splash, splash, here we go. Bubble, bubble, blow, blow, blow. Rub, 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 nice and slow. Shiny car will start to glow. Spray, spray, up so high. Water falls from the sky. Slip, slip, slide and spin. Oops, we fell in again. Dog runs in with muddy feet. Leaves brown print down the street. Wash, wash, scrub it clean. Make it sparkle bright and clean. Swish, swish, scrub, scrub, scrub. Giggle, giggle, rub, rub, rub. Dad gets wet from head to toe. Kids say Dad needs washing too. Now the car is clean and bright. Sparkle, sparkle, what a sight. Dad just laughs and gives a cheer. Best car wash team this year.
Like, share, and subscribe for more videos!